Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable passcode on Spendee. To enable passcode on Spendee application, the process is quite easy, so let's dive into the video. Open up your Spendee application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the main timeline page of Spendee, tap the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now from the More menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on the Advanced option. Enable the button right next to Passcode. In order to add a passcode or enable it, you'll need to create one. Type in your passcode that you'd like to create and retype it in again to verify it. Once you enable the passcode, you will be able to see that next time you open up your Spendee application, you can see this passcode tab where you need to enter your passcode that you've previously created, and you will be able to get access to your Spendee account. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.